Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how I made these delicious chicken cheese rolls. So if you want to learn, sit back and keep watching. Make sure you watch it to the end, okay? In today's recipe I'll be using nutmeg, baking powder, salt, all-purpose flour, liquid milk, eggs, vanilla flavor, butter, chicken breast, and mozzarella cheese. I will list the measurements on the comment section. So let's get started. So start by adding all the dry ingredients together and sieve. After sieving, then mix to combine. Next, add in the butter and mix again. Mix very well until the butter is well dissolved and well blended. In a separate bowl, pour in the egg, the milk, and the vanilla extract. Then mix together. Now bring the two mixtures together and mix just like this. Do not rough handle it, okay? Keep mixing it just like this until everything is well combined and you have gotten a very nice texture. Give it a slight kneading, just like this. After kneading, cover and set it aside to settle for some minutes. So guys, at this point the dough is ready. So give it a little kneading just like this. Next, cut into two parts. Set one aside and then give it a little kneading and then roll it just like this. After rolling, use your dough cutter to adjust the edges to get a nice shape. Next, mix the chicken and the cheese together. Remember, the chicken breast is already cooked and sliced, so I mix everything together now. After mixing, fill it into the dough, just like this. Wrap, fold, and roll, just like this. Brush it with egg to close it very well. Then you cut it into any size of your choice. Cut off the edges, just like this. Continue the process until you are done with everything. It's looking so nice. Next, I mix egg and milk together, and then I brush it up like this. And then bake for 20 to 30 minutes. The chicken cheese is ready. I hope you liked today's recipe. Please tell me where you're watching from so that I can give you a special hug in my next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, okay? And to my new subscribers, thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.